Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing good. I'm doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about my option selling strategy and how I've been doing for the last few months by generating passive income. Am I successful or am I not? Mainly, I'll be talking about SOXL strategy. So I'm selling cash secured puts on SOXL, and I will also be showcasing MSTX options, a strategy that I just opened last week, and I'm down on it big times. So if you are interested in learning that, um, stick around and hopefully you won't be disappointed. So unlike other videos, in this video, as you guys can see, my MST, I have two displays here. So one is my laptop and then this other one is I'm mirroring my iPhone on this surface. So if you see here, this is exactly the same application, Robinhood application, just on my phone, because the thing that I wanted to show you is only available on mobile app and not the desktop application. Usually I showcase the view from desktop application. So now talking about the resources that I have in place in order to generate some passive income is I have a big um, margin amount that I can leverage. So I have enabled margin on this account. Currently, it allows me to use margin money of about $200,000. But since I'm using that money for selling cash secured puts, for options, this margin money is almost cut at 50%, especially for SOXL case, because that's what I am selling options on, mainly SOXL and MSTX. So if you're interested in learning more about margin and margin investing, I have a whole series of those videos that showcase all of that. So you can watch that as well. Now, talking about the plays that I have done. So if you see here, I see options tab here. I'm selling 45 put options for $21. And this is going to end on the coming Friday. So August 22nd is the expiration date for this option strategy, or 45 contracts here. And then for next 10 contracts, I have on MSTX at strike price of $20, which is up. I'm up almost $100 in it, but it is not looking good because just today, if I show you guys, just today, it went all the way from, I believe, 8 cents all the way to 15. So almost twice the bad return since morning, this morning. So it was at one time I was almost having $200 here, and now it went all down back to $100 of profit. So I'm still positive, but it says that it has gone down a lot, almost 15% for the day. So MSTX is going down. MSTX is double leverage or 2x of MSTR, which is strategy or micro strategy. And that's what's happening with it. It has shown some good earnings last month, and since then it is out on the downward trend. So I collected some juicy premium, almost $250 or so for these 10 contracts. And why only 10 contracts is because I have 10 contracts worth of cash here sitting. So I have $30,000, 10 contracts at $20 per contract is 20,000. So then I keep almost 50% of that amount. If the price of this MSTX goes below 20 and I get assigned these 1,000 shares at $20 a piece, then I can buy almost 500 more shares at the same $20 price again, or even less price, since I will get assigned this. So that's what my strategy is. But now looking at the options outcome, so this is the view for this week. I'm up $293. It is not the realized gains, so that's why I want to take you to realized gains and profits. If you see here, for the week I'm up $208. For the month I'm up $1,047. For 3 months I'm up $2,658, and for the max, as I showed you guys, up little over $1,100. The two down, and I'm not doing options since 2024. I've been using options since 2020. So I have about 5 years of experience of selling options. But what you see here on Robinhood is only the last year and a half or so data. And these two options that you see were the covered calls that I sold. So basically, it shows you as a net loss, although you are not in loss. You have made money if you have sold options contract above your cost basis. But on Robinhood, for some reason, since the value of the stock was way more than where I sold my shares by using covered calls, that's why it is showing this big of a drop. But in actuality, I've been generating monthly about 1,000 or so dollars. 800 to 1,000 is my target. So every week I'm trying to generate $200 from this portfolio, and that is just from this options strategy. Then I have dividends coming in from QQQ, SPY, and SCHD, which are my three top holdings. And today, if you look at the market, my SCHD has gone up. So we are up 0.73% on SCHD. So that's the silver lining. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys, that I have sold some contract. I would be willing to buy these 100 shares, or 10 contracts of 100 shares, so almost 1,000 shares at $20 per share. I'd be willing and happy to buy it at that price. And then what I'll start doing is I'll start selling call options. Call contracts have more upside, have more premium attached to them. So I'm looking really forward to get assigned at $20 for MSTX. And unlike last time where I was selling just a little bit above my cost basis, for MSTX, if I get assigned, I will be selling at zero point 0.2 delta or so. So say for example, if I were to sell it right now, I would sell my 1,000 shares at least zero point 0.2 delta on at least $28 per share. So that'll make me $250 in just 3 days. So that's the strategy that I'll be working on. At least zero point 0.2 delta is what I will go with, so that I can take some advantage of this upside, meaning from $25 to $28. So roughly about two and a half dollars here, plus $250. That would be um, $2,250 altogether. So I'm targeting that big of a gain, and that will definitely put us ahead of SPY returns for the year. And that's what the target is, to keep on wheeling with these strategies and try to build this portfolio so that it can generate us monthly 800 to $1,000 in just options income. Then we can have some extra from holding SPY, QQQ, and SCHD, which I have 1,600 shares or more. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope that if you are holding MicroStrategy double leverage, 2x leverage ETF, you get assigned at a decent price and you can sell covered calls and make a lot more money on the upside, on the other side of the wheel. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.